You are a blend away from making these awesome watermelon popsicles. Hi, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel I share all the kitchen skills that moms just know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more. So today I'm making an easy summer treat with watermelon. I don't know about you, but sometimes I get a huge watermelon, and by day 3, I'm like, what else can I make with it? So these popsicles are it. Enter the excess watermelon. It's already cut up into pieces, so all I have to do is blend it. I'm gonna fill my blender about 3 to 4 cups full. By the way, if there's a seed in there, don't worry about it, it's gonna be blended right in. If your watermelon is super sweet, you could just blend it as is, nothing else needed. But sometimes when you buy a huge one, you just really don't know what you're gonna get. So if it's not too sweet, you could just add a couple tablespoons of honey right into your blender, or some sugar. Because it's summer, I'm also gonna squeeze a little lime juice right into my popsicles. It helps preserve the color when they're frozen, and I don't know, it's extra fresh. Now we just put on the lid and blend it for 30 to 45 seconds until everything in there is nice and smooth. Sometimes if I pack too much watermelon or my pieces are too big, I'm gonna need to stop the blender and use a wooden spoon to move the pieces around. Smaller watermelon pieces are better. So now this is ready to be poured into popsicle molds. One quick tip if you're using these silicone molds to make popsicles is to place the mold on a solid dish. This makes it easier to put in the freezer with no spills. I'm using a small funnel to fill my molds with a watermelon liquid, but again, this varies by shape. Using a small funnel makes it super easy to fill your popsicle molds. Now, I made just enough for my molds, but if you have extra, just turn that into a margarita. Now these are filled, the next step is just to put the popsicle sticks through the holes right here. Now again, your mold might be a little bit different. And now in one piece, I can carry this to my freezer. Now that these are frozen solid, I'm gonna take them out of the fridge right onto my counter. I'm just going to rinse them under a little bit of warm water, just enough to separate the popsicle from the mold. Let's check these out. Oh, perfect. Watermelon popsicles, super easy to make, and they taste so good. Get everything that you need right below this video, and if you're into these easy summer recipes, watch this one next. See you next time.